Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Match Betting Chronicles. So yesterday's Wimbledon was very exciting because a big upset looked like it was on the cards. Swiatek, the number one seed, was playing Kerkhove, a relatively unknown player here, and Kerkhove almost caused a massive upset. She did break Swiatek twice in the first set. She went on to win the second set, but ultimately she couldn't see the match out, unfortunately. Now, I think a lot of people probably took the same position as me. Swiatek was just odds of 1.02 to lay, and I know she's on a really hot streak. She can't stop winning, but if you saw her first match, she didn't look great on the grass. So I actually laid Swiatek with a £300 stake at lay odds of 1.02. So I just had £6 risk, but £300 upside. And at one point, I was being offered £26.79 profit here. But I didn't want to take that because I thought, okay, Swiatek will probably still win the match, but I'll only lose 6. But if she does lose, I'm getting £300 here. And, after watching the Serena and Tan match, you just think, anything can happen down to the very last game. I could have also de-risked. I could have removed £60, backed Swiatek here, and I'd have had a free bet. 0 if Swiatek wins, and about 240 profit if she doesn't. But again, I just didn't want to do that. I thought I'm just happy risking the £6 basically. And if we look at the graph, it's amazing. You can see how low she was. She got as low as 1.01 at the start of the match to back, and at this point she got to 1.18. She might have got higher, I don't know. This is just the screenshot that I did yesterday. But anyway, I was a bit too slow to react. What I should have done actually is backed Swiatek on the outright winners market, and I'll just show you that. Okay, so let's load up Smarkets. Okay, so Swiatek is now free to lay. She was 2.94 to lay earlier. Okay, and during the match, when it looked like an upset was on the cards, I saw Swiatek at about 3.5 to back. So that's what I should have done, really. I should have backed her at 3.5 with maybe £120. And then if she lost that match, I'll have obviously lost that £120 here, but net be up 180 because of what I did on that match. I laid her with £300. So what I could have done, I'll show you with a calculator. I back her at £120 at odds of 3.5, and if she won that match, I've lost my £6, okay? But obviously her odds will go down after she's come through that match. And let's say I backed her at 2.94 when I saw that price. I could have locked in a profit now of £22.85, obviously minus the 6 that I lost. But what I would have done is underlaid, so effectively gaining a £67.20 free bet on Swiatek. If she wins the championship, I'd be £67.20 up on that, minus the 6, so £61.20. And that's what I should have done, but I was distracted yesterday, and yeah, I just didn't think of it quick enough. I always realise these things after, but it's I need to get that sharpness, to do it then and there. Anyway, guys, I don't know what you think, but after seeing that game, I'm almost tempted to lay Swiatek at odds of 3 here, because she just doesn't look that strong on grass. But having said that, if I'm going to oppose Swiatek, there needs to be, a couple of other strong women who you think, yeah, they've got a great chance of winning it. And everyone seems to be having hard games at the moment. I can't really see somebody who looks like they're definitely going to win it here. So it's open, So I'm not actually sure if laying Swiatek is a good idea, but yeah, I'm gonna consider it. Maybe watch some other matches. Anyway, guys, thanks for listening, and hope you found the video useful. Take care.